Yo, what's happening? Man, I ain't vlogged all day, but I'm here now with the good old vlog, man. It's probably gonna continue over until tomorrow, but I had to show y'all this, man. Your boy been doing a little cooking, man. Doing a little cooking, man. Got old lamb chops, got some salmon, man. We got some homemade scallop potatoes in the oven, man. I made them myself. Well, no, Ashley cut the potatoes for me. She hit me with the seasoning and the ingredients and all that right there. But for the most part, man, we done made some homemade scallop potatoes, man. This ain't nothing came out of no box, Jack. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, doing that. I got them in the oven right now, man. Letting them brown. Trying to let the top of it brown. Yeah, you can't see. I would have showed. Well, I got to turn the light on. Yeah, I see that y'all can't see it. It's in there though. But yeah, man. Oh, what that smell? Anyway, man, I don't know. I just smelled something when I walked past here. It didn't last long enough for me to even be able to tell. But man, I know y'all. I said something to y'all a little while ago, man, about this journey that I was about to take. So it's been a long time ago when I said something about it. But yeah, man, the time has finally come. I'm gonna do it. I'm taking this journey. I'm doing it myself. Y'all finna be like, man, what is you doing? Check this out. Y'all see what that is? Yes, sir, man. I'm about to join the Gauge gang, man. In my ears, man. I'm about to stretch these things out, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't going big. This right here is a 14 to a 10. So these not big, but I am trying to get to a 0. I am trying to get to a 0, which I think is about that big. I think it might be a little smaller than that. I ain't really trying to get just big, but yeah. Man, here we go, man. Got this old kit. I'm gonna try to do it tonight, and if not, then I'll do it tomorrow for sure. But yeah, that's where we at. That's where we on, man. About to start this journey. Know what I'm saying? You gauge up like every month. Know what I'm saying? Like every 30 days you gauge up. So I'm gonna start with the 14 because that's the smallest one in a month. Gauge up to the 12. To the 10, so on and so forth. So yeah, man. Well, this one stop at 10 though, so yeah. And they got it. Well, I'll show y'all when I get ready to do it. I'll show y'all all the what all I can use. But yeah, yo. So like I told y'all, man, we're starting with a 14, which is the smallest one of all of them. You got 14. That one in the middle is a 12, and the one at the bottom is a 10. So I'm starting with the 14. As you can see, got one on in, and that's the area that split. So I wanted to do that one first, just to, you know what I'm saying, make sure everything was cool. So now I ain't really worried about this one. I can run through this one. I mean, it sting a little bit. It's like a little pinch. It's kind of like when you first get your ears pierced, you know what I'm saying? So it's stinging right now, but it's supposed to stop. Like it's not no pain. Like you be like, ah! It ain't nothing like that. So yeah, I mean, it don't feel bad or nothing like that. So I just stretched from whatever that piercing was to a 14 gauge. So let me go ahead, put the other one in, hit y'all right back. My lens dirty. As y'all can see, that's almost through. Almost. Got this good old jojoba oil pushing it through. So yes, I'm gauging my own ears. Yeah. Trying to be careful. I heard you can blow your ear out. You push your meat through your ear and trying not to do that. So they said go slow. Don't rush it. Got a little pinch to it. Like a little sting, but it ain't nothing to where you be like I said, ain't nothing that you be like, oh my God, like, man, I can't do this. It's moving a little bit, just a little bit though, not a whole lot on this here, I don't know why. I don't know why it's moving so slow on this here. This ear was perfectly fine. It was the other ear that I was worried about because it was split already. Dang, finger keep jumping. Every time I get to stinging too bad, I gotta stop. Cause I don't really know. I'm not no professional, so I don't know like what that means. I just know I'm stretching my ear, so I think it's all the way through. No, it ain't all the way through yet, but it's close. See, it's closer than what it was, a little bit. When it starts stinging, like, when it starts like hurting, like stinging, I just stop. Put some more lube on it. Then we go back. Shouldn't be much longer. And how I'm doing it, like the girl that I seen do it, she wasn't doing it like this. But how I'm doing it is I'm pushing the back of my ear, and while I'm pushing this, so it kind of like, I guess kind of like support it a little bit, so it won't, you know what I'm saying, take so long. I ain't pushing hard though, like I'm just really just keeping it in a stationary position so that the lube can work and it just gonna push it on through. Almost there. I bet y'all like, nigga, you ain't even move. Yes, I am. A little bit. And I don't know if I'm supposed to keep adding this or not, because I ain't see her do it, but it's kind of like some DIY type, so I'm just doing it the best way I feel like, you know what I'm saying, that'll help me out, you know what I'm saying? See, once it starts stinging and you stop, it'll stop stinging. yeah, once it starts stinging and then it stop, you can start back, cause you know what I'm saying, the pain will be, the little stinging or whatever will go away. I'm learning. Like I said, I've been wanting to do this, but like today when I looked at her video, it was like really the first time I was like, I'm gonna take the initiative to do it. It's closer. It ain't acting like this ear did though. Like this ear here was a little more forgiving. I guess I don't know if I ain't leave a hot towel on my ear long enough or what. It's coming though. It's just slow. Which they said don't rush this shit. Like real deal, take your time. Cause you blow your damn ear out. Then you got a whole nother problem you gotta fix before you can even start doing this shit again. So these, to my understanding, these will be in my ear for 30 days. And then, you know, I can move up again. And I wonder if it had something to do with the alcohol. Like I put some alcohol on her too. The alcohol might be drying out the jojoba oil. The reason why this one taking so long. I mean, I feel it though. I feel it like moving. See, it's touching now. It's touching my neck now, so that's how I know it's moving. But yeah, I'll be back, man, when I go and get it knocked out. Yo, there it is. It's done in there. Now we got these little stopper type things. Look, y'all can't even see it. It's so small. You see it? A little stopper thing right there. Put that on the back side of it so it won't come out. There it is. We in there like booty out, man. So, yeah, now I'm finna take my ass to sleep. Cause I don't even know what time it is. Like 12 something. But I'm finna take my ass, lay my ass down, try to see how I'm finna sleep with this, see how I'm finna sleep, man, with these, long ass rods in my ear. But, yeah, so in 30 days, move up to these. I can use these right here too, like these up here, but I felt like being that this had this little pointy end on it, it'd have been easier for me to, you know what I'm saying, do these instead of these. But you probably use these after these been in there for a while. So, yeah. Gonna go and lay it down. And I'll see y'all in the morning, man. Call me no more earrings below, man. Cause ain't no earrings going in the ears no more. Not with this stretch. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the morning, man.